Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. What's
up, you guys? It's your girl Tamar GI, and we are back with another video. Today we're working with KRN hair, and we're doing miracle knots, but we are doing it a little differently. This is a method that you can do that it won't take you no time, for real. This is the bag that everything came in. This is KRN hair. We have our crochet needle because that's the only thing that we're going to need. We have a necklace from KRN Jewelry. It's a cute necklace that they sent. Thank you so much, because this is so cute. They sent me two 18 inches of the miracle knots hair. Also sent me the half wig. So this is the half wig, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. This hair is so soft, y'all. Really soft. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, let's get into the ends of the hair. Also have that drawstring right here, so to ensure that like this is not falling off. So this is what the hair looks like out of the package. It is very bouncy. It's giving me at the meat. Let's just get straight into it, y'all. Let me show y'all exactly what I'm working with, and this is why I said this is gonna be so easy, so beginner friendly, because let me show y'all my hair in the back. I just did two little braids. Not even, they wasn't even the best, but this is what it looks like. And then I did go ahead and get this front done. So for the miracle knots, you know, you want to start with your hair braided, and I just used some of the hair and started my braid because my hair is shorter now because I cut it. So y'all see my hair is on the shorter side now. So I just added one piece of the hair and did it like that, and then we will still have a curly ends. One piece of hair like this. I just have some locking gel here that I'm using. Just putting that on this section, this part. Start my braid. And I braid about 3 times. I'm going ahead and adding my one piece in, and then I'm braiding. Make sure you braid until this piece is kind of like this short, because we're going to take some of the hair from one side so that everything can be equal, like that. And then we're going to continue braiding. My hair can stay intact, but don't be discouraged if you see your hair poking out or anything like that, because we're about to add the curly pieces over these braids, so it's really not gonna matter, honestly. And then even when I get towards the end, I like to take a little bit more, separate, just so that the braid can, you know, look kind of the same through and through. But like I said before, don't be too, you know, trying to be too meticulous with this braid. Y'all see how this is looking, and you're not even gonna be able to tell that it looked like that before. So just braid it all the way down until, well, really to your liking. I'm kind of gonna stop in a minute for this one, and I'm gonna stop it right here. I don't knot this part or anything like that. I just keep it like this, and it doesn't unravel for me. So that's basically what I did for all of the hair. For these little pieces, they did get a little frizzy, so I just have to put some water on them. But that is how everything is looking, and that is how I did the whole foundation for my braid. Let me tell y'all exactly the braiding pattern that I have. So I had 2, 3, 4, and 4 on both sides. So it's 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4 on both sides. One thing that I do like about this half wig is that you don't have to worry about leaving your hair out, because this right here is going to mimic as if you left hair out. Elastic band first. Bring this back and clip it. Make sure that my braids good, and then I'm just gonna clip that on like that. Actually really cute. So now let's just get started with filling the hair in. Do 3 on each braid. Is just start at the top, then knot it, three on each one. And I don't think it's probably gonna need 3 because I have my ends as well. Y'all see how this just blends right in? Like, it's not even giving, like, it's kind of looking like a bust down sewn in or something like that already. Like, you see how that just morphed in with the half wig that easy? You see how this looks? Like, it looks so good. Like, this is giving, I've been here for a long time and I'm only 20 minutes in, and we about to do this side and then we gonna be done. Okay, y'all, so everything is done. Ooh, this is big. This is what everything is looking like. It looks so good. We're gonna go ahead and start spraying the hair and stuff. I'm gonna take my Afro-G Pro Vitamin Leave-In conditioner first. I just like to put like a conditioner on the hair at least first to see how the hair reacts to it, and then spray the water. But I'm spraying a good amount. Let's see. Let's just see how the hair just snaps into place with my fingers. And it's looking pretty good already, y'all. We might not even need no water. Ooh, y'all see the waves coming in? This looks good. This is the final look of the hair. Everything looks so good. It looks so cute in this little half up, half down thing that I have it in. I was gonna diffuse the hair at first, but I was like, you know, by the time I do my baby hairs and stuff, I didn't think that I was gonna really need to diffuse it, and I really didn't have to. Like, this is so cute. Y'all see the hair? Get into the details of these curls. Like, everything looks so good. So cute. And we can do it to the side. To the side even looks real good. The side part is talking about. Ooh, the side part is so cute. Ponytail, that's cute. And then also, let's do a traditional half up, half down. Let's see what this looking like. Ooh, yeah, this is real cute too. Ooh, I love this. I absolutely love this hairstyle. Shout out to KRN Hair. They definitely hit it on the head with this technique of a half wig, and you just do your little miracle knot braids in the front. Like, this is so cute. It's so full, and it literally took me half the time that it would take me to do like a whole head. I mean, miracle knots is a very easy style too, but I love styles that don't take long but look like it took me all day. And this is not even giving braids. Like, it's literally giving a whole full install. Like, it is so cute. I absolutely love it so much. If you guys have any questions pertaining to this hairstyle, you guys already know you can feel free to comment down below. And also, if you guys want to purchase this hair, you already know the link will be in the description box down below, so make sure you guys shop KRN Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Jam Babies, we out.